the season to come back with a reason. I ain't say it was easy. Yeah, I do them beans and my bro so loud can't see me. I could've left him bleeding. Yeah, whipped out a burger bacon, took out 50, that's her own. Hold on, slap business, let me check the inches, fit that corner. I got hats pending just for all the youngins, they been on them. This Rack City, stack on top of stack and they gon' stone.
What up, YouTube?
Hey, today we doing
It's the
the
Savage
race.
family. We finna do the hoverboard race. Myself and Maya.
Me.
We're gonna see who win. Okay, guys, we ain't start yet. We need somebody to record us. Cause I ain't finna bust my ass, you feel me? Ain't that right, Maya?
Yep.
Yeah, do a 360 on you. Hit a 360 on him. Yeah. So we waiting on somebody to come record us, so we just riding in style. Riding in style. Don't wanna bust my ass.
Yep, we don't. It really hurts. 'Cause if you're bleeding, you bleed your foot.
Well, she thinks she got it, y'all. Oh.
Oh.
Let me see if I can do it.
This is gonna be a
Oh shit. Let me see. Tony Hawk it. Oh shit. Alright guys, we'll come back when we get somebody to record this video. Alright, you two, we about to start the race. Let's see who gonna win. Me or Maya? She'll be 6 June 18th.
5 years old and got carried.
Alright, man, we about to go ahead and start this race. Alright, you two, we about to start. You ready?
Yeah.
Nah, don't get behind the yellow line. Get over there on the side of the yellow line. Don't try this at home. This shit dangerous. All right.
What I can do? I can break
Nah, go back to the bike. We gotta go by the bike. And
Well, how much y'all got on the table for this?
if she wins, she gotta give me $5. If I win, hold on. That's wrong. If she win, I gotta give her $5. If I win, she gotta give me $5. All right.
All right.
So, first one to Mr. Calvin. No, you cheat. Get back.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta say the words, man.
1, 2, 3.
On your march.
Better pay attention.
Get ready. Set.
You cheated.
Both of y'all violated. Look at
He needs some milk.
I'm the last one to Mr. Calvin. Let's start off again.
Hey, that was just a hiccup.
Hey,
Let's do it
one thing
again.
about baby girl.
Let's do it
Hey,
again.
when she goes so fast, and she can't slow down. She'll dive off that. She'll dive off.
Hold on, let's do
She'll
it
hit the deck in a minute, Jack.
Let's do it over again.
No, you messed it up. Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, like, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell.
Okay. Okay.
All right, we out.
Give it a thumbs up.
You can stop the video.